Yes, I saw me like it. On me body.
I was watching this video and a random memory unlocked. It took me back to the time where I went to Jamaica, and you know what? I just want to thank my lucky stars. I want to thank the Lord that your girl came back okay. Because when I tell you, me and my friend, we were just doing just shit that we probably should not have been doing. But that's how every story starts off great. You know, when you know you shouldn't be doing something, but you do it anyways. It just makes it so much better when you know you shouldn't be doing. So me and my friend, we pay for this resort where it's like all expense included, like your food, your drinks. You get what I'm trying to say. So I thought majority of our time was going to be at this resort. Y'all, when we get there, we must have chose the wrong month because there was nothing but old people and kids. So then we came across this girl and she was like, hey, like when I get off of work, like if you want to, like I can show you around Jamaica. And in my mind, I was like, okay, because I want some jerk chicken. I want to hear the dance hall music. I want to see people grind. You know, I want to see everything. I want to see it all. Y'all, I didn't know this girl from the can of paint. Yeah, it's like in a gated area, right? So she texted us, it's like 10 o'clock. She's like, hey, like I'm here, you know, whatever. But because she worked there, she didn't want to go on the property because she was like, they're not supposed to, you know, interact with the guests. Like they're not supposed to do that. So we had to walk to the gate. Y'all, it was like a 10-minute walk. It was a 10-minute walk in the dark. All we see is like the jungle. Like it's like trees and bushes and it's just us walking in the dark. And then here goes my friend. You know, now reality is setting in. We're like, we don't know her, but we're doing this anyway. And they were like, what if we get kidnapped? But we're still walking towards the gate. We were not thinking correctly. Okay, so I know some of y'all are thinking, oh, something bad must have happened. Nope. Everything worked out. God came through. We hopped in the car. It's her and her dude, right? They take us to the, you know, to this club. First off, Jamaicans know how to party. They know how to party. But anyways, I think the reason why that video like unlocked a memory, because I'll never forget, I was petrified. So it's me, like I'm here, right? Let me move this out the way. I'm here, like I'm dancing with my friend, right? Doing me. Next thing I know, I just see like a lighter. I see this. Someone's... This dude is like doing this to me. And I was like, what the fuck is going on? And I'm like, girl, I was like, I'm scared. And she was looking at me. She was like, bitch, I would be scared too. And I'm like, So then like I hit up the girl like that took us there. And I was like, why is this guy doing this? I'm like, is this like a thing? Because I'm concerned. Like I'm actually quite scared. And the next thing I know, he starts doing this to me. Bloop, 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 bloop. But I'm just I'm like taking like steps back. I'm like hiding behind her dude. I'm like ducking and dodging, trying to get away from this fool. And she's like, he likes you. And I'm like, girl,